Hi, I'm going to teach you C++ programming. This is the course CS39 CPP. My name is Gustavo Rodriguez Rivera. I will be your instructor. The webpage of the course is www.cs.purdue.edu homes CS39 lang CPP, and my office is Lawson 1210. My email is grr@cs.purdue.edu. You can send me questions. However, you post your questions in Piazza. That is going to be the way we're going to be communicating. The textbook, you are going to be using C++ programming with design patterns revealed. Also, I recommend you Strauss book, that is the author of C++. Buying the book is not required. We are going to explain most of the material here in the slides that you need for what you have to do. Okay, the grade allocation will be, the final exam will be 40%, the final project 48%, the homework will be 2%, the quiz attendance will be 10%, attendance is very important. We are going to include questions about the projects in the exam. Post your questions in Piazza, and it's very important that, that you notice this course will take 5 weeks. At the end of these 5 weeks, we are going to have the final exam, and together we are going to have a final project, only one final project. We are going to explain that later on. So we are going to explain everything about C++. C++ is very extensive. We will need a whole semester to talk about C++. Here I'm going to introduce mostly what you will need to know about C++, so you can start programming in this language. So we're going to talk first about basic types. You are going to see that the types in C++ is going to be more extensive and more strict than C. By the way, we're assuming here that you already know C. You have taken CS240 or equivalent. You already know C, and here we are going to just explain the extensions of C++. We're going to talk about simple I/O, how to you can still use printf. However, we're going to see how input-output is done in C++. We're going to talk about reference data types. So this is a way, that is a nicer way of passing by reference arguments. We're going to cover function overloading, how to redefine operators plus or plus, minus, etc. for your own classes. We're going to talk about constructors and destructors. Remember, C++ is similar to kind of like Java. There are going to be constructors that initialize objects. However, there is going to be something else that is going to be called destructors, that is going to be called when the object is deleted. C++ does not have garbage collection, so you will have to explicitly delete your objects once that they are not needed. Or they are going to use memory, and if your application runs for a long time, then you may run out of memory. A destructor is going to be a method that is going to be called when the object is deleted. We are going to talk also about constant and static features, exception handling, namespaces, inheritance, that is very important for object-oriented systems, how to overload operators, how to do templates, that is very important, so you can write classes that can be used for multiple types. And finally, we're going to talk about the standard template library. Later on, we're going to talk about some other topics like garbage collection in C++, how to do smart pointers, and other topics at the end, and at the end of the unit. Okay.